Ever miss the door because you were in another room? Or upstairs with the TV on? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for smart, practical home tech that actually makes life easier. Meet the Tapo 2K Wireless Smart Video Doorbell, a smarter way to see, hear, and protect your front door. With crystal clear 2K resolution, wide-angle coverage, and instant alerts right on your phone, it keeps you connected to every visitor day or night. Smart security made simple. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Tapo D210 Video Doorbell, Tapo Doorbell Chime, Mounting Bracket, Horizontal Mounting Wedge, Mounting Template, 3M Adhesive, Foam Pad, Mounting Screws, Mounting Anchors, Mounting Wedge Screws, Doorbell Detaching Pin, Quick Start Guide, USB Adapter Cable. Technical specifications. The Tapo 2KD210 Wireless Smart Video Doorbell delivers crisp 2K 3-megapixel video resolution at up to 15 frames per second, giving you a clear view of every visitor. With a 160-degree diagonal ultra-wide field of view, you'll never miss a thing. It connects via Wi-Fi 802.11b/G/N at 2.4 GHz, making installation completely wireless. The built-in 6,400 mAh battery lasts up to 6 months under typical use, so you can enjoy long-lasting, reliable performance. Stay protected day or night with full-color night vision and a built-in spotlight. Communicate instantly with visitors using two-way audio through the built-in microphone and speaker. Its AI person detection with customizable activity zones ensures you get alerts only when it matters. Record and store footage on a microSD card up to 512 gigabytes, or choose optional cloud storage for convenience. Built tough for all seasons, it has an IP65 weatherproof rating and operates smoothly in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. An indoor wireless chime is included, so you can hear visitors anywhere in your home. And with smartphone integration, receive mobile alerts and answer the door like a phone call with the Ring Call feature. Product features. The doorbell captures ultra-sharp 2K 3-megapixel resolution video, ensuring every visitor, package, or activity at your doorstep is clearly visible. You get a wider and more detailed view compared to standard HD cameras, day or night. Advanced AI technology distinguishes people from other moving objects, like pets or cars, so you only get meaningful alerts. This smart detection helps reduce false notifications and keeps your home security efficient. Equipped with a built-in microphone and speaker, the Tapo doorbell lets you talk to visitors directly through your smartphone. Whether you're at work or away from home, you can greet guests, give instructions, or deter unwanted visitors instantly. Powered by a 6,400 mAh rechargeable battery, this doorbell can operate for up to 6 months on typical use. No complicated wiring is needed, making it simple to install and maintain while keeping your home protected for longer periods. App connection. Start by downloading the free Tapo app from the App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either log into your existing TP-Link account or create a new one to get started. In the app, tap Plus to add a new device, select the Tapo 2KD210 Video Doorbell, and follow the on-screen instructions. The app will guide you to connect the doorbell to your home Wi-Fi network and sync it with your phone. After pairing, the app will confirm the doorbell is connected. You can then customize settings, test the live video feed, enable motion detection alerts, and try two-way audio to make sure everything works properly. How to install. Choose a convenient spot near your main door for the push button. Although it is IP55 rated and weather resistant, placing it under a small shelter or porch helps protect it from direct rain. Secure it with the included screws or adhesive, and insert the CR2032 battery, making sure the polarity matches the markings. Plug the two indoor receivers into standard AC outlets in rooms where you want to hear the chime. The receivers are powered directly from the outlets, so no batteries are needed. Position them in places where the sound can be clearly heard throughout your home. Most Acree models come pre-paired, but if needed, press the pair button on the receiver and then the push button once to sync. Select your preferred melody and adjust the volume to a comfortable level. Finally, test the system to ensure both the sound and LED visual alerts are working properly. How to charge. To charge the Tapo 2KD210, carefully remove the doorbell from its mounting bracket to access the charging port. Connect the included USB cable to a power source such as a wall adapter, power bank, or computer, and plug it into the doorbell. The LED indicator will show the charging status. And once fully charged, you can slide the doorbell back onto the bracket and resume normal use. The built-in 6,400 mAh battery provides long-lasting power for several months on a single charge. Safety tips. Avoid extreme weather. Turn off the power before setup. Use recommended power only. Keep receivers dry and ventilated. Clean gently and regularly. Test the doorbell periodically. Product comparison. The Tapo 2KD210 features a sturdy plastic body with an IP65 weatherproof rating, designed for durability in all weather conditions. The Ring Video Doorbell uses a combination of metal and plastic, also weather-resistant, with a slightly more premium finish. The Tapo 2KD210 delivers 2K3 megapixel resolution with a 160-degree diagonal ultra-wide view for clear, detailed footage. The Ring Video Doorbell typically provides 1080p HD video with a 160-degree horizontal field of view, giving slightly lower resolution but a similarly wide perspective. The Tapo D210 comes with a 6,400 mAh rechargeable battery, lasting up to 6 months on typical use. The Ring Video Doorbell battery model uses a removable rechargeable battery that generally lasts 6 to 12 months depending on usage, and some models can also connect to existing doorbell wiring. Pros and cons. So, let's talk about the Tapo 2K Wireless Smart Video Doorbell. On the plus side, it delivers sharp 2K video quality, a wide 160-degree field of view, smart AI person detection, dependable battery life, local storage support, two-way audio, and full-color night vision that keeps your entryway visible even after dark. On the downside, it only supports 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi, needs to be recharged every few months, doesn't offer 24/7 continuous recording, and performs best when paired with a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.